Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the Minecraft was closed due to incompatible video card drivers error in a calm and easy-to-follow way. This problem usually means your graphics drivers are outdated, corrupted, or not supported by the Minecraft version you're running. First, completely close Minecraft and the launcher. Now, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, and note whether you're using Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD graphics. Next, go to the official website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest driver made specifically for your exact GPU and Windows version. Avoid using third-party driver tools, as they often cause more issues. Install the driver carefully, then restart your computer so the changes fully apply. After restarting, open the Minecraft launcher and make sure you are using the latest game version, because newer versions require updated graphics support. If you're on a laptop, open Windows Graphics Settings and force Minecraft to use the high performance or dedicated GPU instead of integrated graphics. Also, right-click the Minecraft launcher, open Properties, and disable any compatibility mode if enabled. If you previously copied custom OpenGL or driver files into Java folders, remove them, as they can conflict with official drivers. Next, press Windows plus R, type dxdiag, and confirm that your system meets the minimum OpenGL requirements. If your graphics card is very old, consider running an older Minecraft version that supports it. Finally, update Windows completely to fix missing system components. After completing these steps, launch Minecraft again. The incompatible video card driver error should be resolved, allowing the game to open normally and run without unexpected crashes or driver-related shutdowns. Subscribe the channel for more videos.